Hi everyone, how are you doing? It's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have a Michael's haul, just a small one to show you. So how's everyone doing? How was your weekend? We had beautiful weather here in Winnipeg. We had a little bit of a thunderstorm Saturday afternoon, but it wasn't anything major. A little bit of rain. We could have used more actually. And today is supposed to be, well, it's 28 right now Celsius, which is 82 Fahrenheit. It's supposed to go to 30, which is 86 Fahrenheit. Yeah. So when I heard what the temperature was going to be today, I thought, well, in my shower this afternoon, I'm going to shave my one leg hair. Because have you noticed that as you get older, you don't grow as much hair on your legs? It's awesome, like, yeah, baby. All right, so I shaved my one hair. Actually, there were three. I could have braided them, but I shaved them off instead. All right, so yesterday, I think it was May 16th or something. May 16th. I just went out of camera shot and looked at my receipt from Michael's. So, yeah, so I went to Michael's, Hubby went to Canadian Tire, that's what he did. And anyway, I went to Michael's and I was looking around, and then these two people were walking towards me, and it's, I saw them, I glanced at them, looked away, and then they said hi, and I'm thinking, who are these masked people? Turned out to be my friends Sandy and Joe. And I met Sandy at Tim Hortons. Yeah, and she's a crocheter too. And anyway, so we started talking about yarn and stuff, and I was telling her I was looking for the Hipster and the Chameleon. I didn't know if Michael's had it yet here in Canada. Well, it turns out my Michael's in Winnipeg didn't have it. The salesperson we talked to hadn't been informed whether or not Canada was getting it. And then I saw Kate from Bitch and Stitches. Hi, Kate. I'll link her video below where she is showing that she got a Hipster yarn and she got a Chameleon yarn. Now you may have seen Jennifer from Cinnamon Stitches showing those yarns, and she's from the United States. I'll link her below as well. Hi, Jennifer. So Kate lives on the east coast of Canada, and she had them at her Michael's. So hopefully they will be coming to my Winnipeg Michael's soon. Coming to a store near you, I hope. So anyway, but I did get some other yarns. All right, so what I got was, do you remember I showed It's a Wrap before? The US had them for $5, and then I discovered Canada did too for $5. Like, what? So I had hauled a few of them. And when I was at Michael's yesterday, I got a couple more. I saw these colors. I don't remember if I saw these colors ever before. They probably were. And I'm surprised they still have these for $5. I thought they would have been all sold by now. But they're not with the regular yarns. They're off on an aisle at the end, near the end of the aisle, with the cotton thread yarn. No, cotton thread. I guess because, look at those colors. I guess because these are, according to the label, Superfine 1. Okay, so It's a Wrap Rainbow, 55% acrylic, 45% cotton, 150 gram cake, 623 yards. I think these colors are gorgeous. And let's see, recommended, where is it here? Recommended needle is a 3.75. Recommended crochet hook is 4mm. Machine wash cold, gentle cycle, dry flat. Do not bleach, do not iron, do not dry clean. And what else? Made by Red Heart. Red Heart. And what is this colorway? Do they say? Yes, they do. Fiesta. It's a Fiesta. So I think they're very, very, very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so I got those two. And then I got some different yarn here that was also on sale. These are the Karen baby cakes. Limited time only, it says. Canada, they are $11.99. They were on sale for $6.99. So I grabbed two of these. Is that a pretty color? It's kind of like a corally color to me. Yeah, so I got two, I think I said that. Karen baby cakes by Yarnspirations. It says right on the label, no wool. Let's see, they're a medium 4. They are 82 acrylic, 18 nylon, 240 grams, which is 560 yards in here. They're called, it's their Soft Summer Stripes collection. Again, I don't see any stripes. I don't know if we got any of the ones with stripes at our Michael's. I don't know. Don't remember seeing them. Machine washable and dryable, which is always good. Recommended crochet hook is 5mm. Recommended needle is also 5mm. So this color is, it's called Rosy Red. To me, it's more of a pinkish, it's like a pinkish coral to me. I think it's very, very pretty. Very pretty, and it's squishy. Yes, it is squishy. Yes. I like it. Oh, I like it very much. All right, so the next one I got, and this is kind of on a whim. I had looked at them, and I thought, oh, I don't know. And then Sandy said, she pointed to them, and she said, that would make a great bag. I'm like, you're right. So then her hubby Joe passes me one. So I'm like, okay, how about another one? So he passed me a second one. All right, so these are Loops and Threads Little Treasures. Limited time only again. They're lightweight 3, 100% acrylic. This is it. And there's 200 grams here, 557 yards. Look at those beautiful pinks and purples and whites. There's a little bit of grayish in there. Like I'd say a medium gray. And what else would you like to know? A lightweight 3, I think I said that. Needle is 4mm, hook is also 4mm. And this colorway is Sugar Plum. I think it's very, very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. So these were on sale also for $6.99. Little Treasures, Loops and Threads, $11.99 originally. Okay, this is Canada. Oh, I already mentioned that, I think, at the beginning. I said I was in Winnipeg. Yeah, so, yeah, there's prices, I know. So there we go, 2. I really like them. So that is my yarn haul from Michael's. These two. These two. These two. I actually got a variety of colors, didn't I? Got some blue, some purple, some pinkish, and some orangey in here. These ones. Some white. Oh. So what am I going to make? Well, I think I might try to make a bag with this. I don't know. A summer top with this. Probably. Don't quote me on it. And this is medium 4. Yeah, I'd say it's a medium 4 for sure. So it could be a nice, nice cardigan. Oh, I'm gonna shout out Pamela, because Pamela's adoring crochet. Hi, Pamela, because I love her sweater she designed. And she used the flex yarn, which I did see there, but I didn't get any. But it was kind of, I think, in this shade. So maybe I'll make one of your sweaters. I'm gonna link her tutorial below. So yeah, her sweater's beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so I guess let's see. I think that's it. I just wanted to show my haul, tell you about our amazing weather. Yeah, and tell you the Hipster and the Chameleon are in Canada. So hopefully they're just starting at the East Coast and coming over to us, and then across to the West Coast. I hope. Because I mean, they're really cool. They're expensive. They're expensive in Canada. They are $9.99 each, and you get they're 3 weight, and you get, oh, how much was it? 200 and something yards, I think it was. So yeah, they're a lot of money. But oh, if you haven't heard about the Chameleon yarn looks white, and it's cotton, 100% cotton. It looks white. So if you make a nice little summer top with it, and you go outside, the UV rays will change the color of the white to, they have pinks, purples. They have kind of a, I think it's a variation of purple, maybe purple and white. Yeah, but they're really cool. They're really cool. And I'm excited to get some. So yeah. And in Canada, we get the 30% coupon. Used to be 50% before this, you know, before the world ended. But now we get 30% coupons, so you can use those on one item that is not on sale. So yeah, but you know, every penny helps, right? So yeah. All right, so I'll let you all go for now, and thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Hit the bell, click like, you know, just to let YouTube know that this channel is worth watching. I hope it is. You guys have told me you love my channel, and I thank you so much for that. So yeah, I have a Facebook group. I'll link it below. You can come by there, and you can show me things that you've been making. Show me your yarn that you bought. Just anything to do with crochet and knit. If you got new hooks, you can post them on there. Or new knitting needles, or anything like that. Yarn sales. I don't mind if you add the links to the websites for yarn sales. That's perfectly fine. It's not a sale group, so I ask you not try to sell anything on there. Yeah, so please come over and join. I'm gonna be I'm gonna post my yarn haul on there. Oh, and also thank you so much for all your comments and compliments on my tutorial from Friday for the skull face top slash dress slash beach cover up. Yeah, I'm really glad you guys liked that, and a lot of you have said you're gonna make it, so make sure you join my Facebook group and show me the item that you made with what yarn you used and the colors. I would love to see anything that you make of my designs or anything that you make of other people's designs, as long as you say who the designer was, and that would be fantastic. You know, give credit where credit's due. All right, so you guys, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for joining me. Love you all, and take care. God bless.